Hi everyone, how are you? In so market launch Flipkart microwave AC. Market new launching product portable AC, high air conditioner. To use screen display inside video shop. In time, on time, 18% temperature and 16% temperature in supported. AC is the 1 ton supported AC. Effective steam wise air conditioner. Water level in so supplying so time. High speed supported 5 degrees Celsius in support AC. Looking very cool. Any rooms adjustments, four wheels, 5-year manufacturing as warranty, and customer cares helpline 24 hours available. An Indian market microwave prepared AC in high demanded product in seller. Very good looking and attractive priceness. Only 24,000 and 50% electricity savings.